Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate it. Today we're going to step outside the world of tattooing and into the world of nails. As you can see right here, I have a professional acrylic system by a company named Rosalind. I will go ahead and leave links in the description below for you so you can check this out on your end. I also want to touch base on some points here. Now, I myself am not a technician. I am a tattoo artist. However, I personally know a great nail technician by the name of Jocelyn, in which we are going to go ahead and cut over and test the performance of this acrylic system here shortly. Before we do so, I wanted to show you the product up close and just elaborate a little bit for my current subscribers and or potential new subscribers. My YouTube channel consists of all things body modification and more, which means you can go ahead and see me talking about tattoo machines. You can go ahead and see me doing tattoos real time. You may see some videos on piercings. You may see some videos on nails like such. Anything that's a form of body modification would be great for my channel, so you will go ahead and see various types of that on my channel. And don't forget about that and more part. You may also see me playing video games or streaming games live, etc. So my channel isn't dominantly tattooing, it is all things body mod and more. I just wanted to touch base and let you all know a little bit about that for those who may be scratching their head or a little bit confused. And again, that may be for my current subscribers and or new potential subscribers. As you can see though, within this Rosalind set, let me go and just show you the box per usual, as we always do. It'll give you some steps in the back here. So that is the box up close. And within here you have a brush, you have some acrylic powders in different colors there. You have acrylic liquid and a glass there. We are going to go ahead and unbox this here at the Nail Tech's establishment. And as you see right here, we have some dipping powder. And I just wanted to go ahead and kind of show you this stuff up close and some stickers as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to dive into the performance and test this out real time. We're going to take a look at the powder up close, and I'm going to get some feedback on the nail tech on what she thinks about this. So upon getting that information, I will go ahead and relay that back to you all. you.